1. Invest in dividend stocks to earn regular income without active involvement. 2. Create an online course to sell your knowledge passively for profit. 3. Start a blog and monetize it with ads, receiving income without daily effort. 4. Dividend stocks. Choose companies with a history of steady dividends. 5. Research stocks' performance and market trends to make informed decisions. 6. Online course. Choose a platform like Udemy or Teachable to host your content. 7. Market your course through social media and communities to reach potential learners. 8. Blogging. Select a niche you're passionate about, ensuring enjoyable content creation. 9. Regularly update your blog to maintain interest and search engine visibility. 10. Use affiliate marketing in your blog to earn commissions on referred sales. 11. Buy and hold real estate for rental income, managed by a property manager. 12. Real estate investment trusts (REITs) offer another property-based passive income avenue. 13. Real estate. Understand local market conditions to recognize potential investment areas. 14. Set realistic rental prices to attract tenants and ensure steady cash flow. 15. Diversify passive income streams for financial security and reduced risk. 16. Review and adjust your investments periodically to optimize returns and income.